on Thippasandra main road and 6th main and 12th main, there is rampant violation of one way. Right, 6th main, we have a lot of people from Upper Palya. There is a restaurant, they just cross across. Right, and in the 12th main also we see people coming across the divider and all of that, sir. The 4th point, intersection parking that was being addressed vociferously. Sir, people park with zero parking these establishments. There are establishments on a 40-60 site which have 2,000 employees, sir, with zero parking. They all park on the road and they park at intersections. When we are coming out of the by lane, it is a blind spot, sir. We can't see what happens, and there are so many accidents that happen. People get injured very grievously, sir. So, which is why we want you to start clamping on vehicles parked at intersection, because the Motor Vehicles Act very clearly states 50 meters from the intersection you are not supposed to park, sir. The 6th point, sir, with zero parking, all of them have fancy valets. One, the valet counter is on the footpath, blocking pedestrian movement. And where does the valet park, sir? They park in front of our houses, our gates. Because their owners don't give them parking. They have their fancy BMWs parked in the basements, and they have zero parking. Hence, they come and park in front of our houses. We've had cases, sir, some of our residents have had medical emergencies, and they haven't been able to take their cars out. The 6th point, sir, after the white topping was done and major road works was taken up, signages have not been put back in place. Absolutely zero signages in Indiranagar, sir. The last point, sir, we have a problem of school buses like National Public School and New Horizon with zero parking again, parking all over the residential area. We'd like them to be clamped, sir. And because what also happens, sir, when parking spills over to like the lady was talking, when it spills to the residential area, it increases the noise pollution. It increases air pollution. Like they have a right to livelihood, we have a right to life also, sir. We have a right to sleep also. Right? We have right to life means good air, good, peaceful environment and everything. Yeah. Thank you, sir.